Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ray B10 with Stock Talks. I appreciate you guys tuning into my channel. I appreciate you guys giving me a little bit of your time this morning. I hope everybody is having a wonderful Saturday morning, man. And I hope you guys all end off the weekend es muy fantastico, okay? So that way we could be ready for next week's stock market event. Guys, fall forward, not backwards, with love, peace, and happiness always, man. It is your guy, Ray B10. This morning, I have a new ticker symbol for you guys, man. Ticker symbol SENS. All right? SENS. Write it down. Get your notebook. Open up notes on your phone, man, and write ticker symbol SENS, okay? AKA Sensionic. Not AKA. The company name is Sensionic. So, guys, in front of me, I have their website in front of me, guys. Let's take a look at what Sensionic is all about, okay? First and foremost, man, let's go ahead and review the executive team. Timothy T. Goodnow, PhD from, he has a Bachelor's of Science degree in Chemistry at the University of Miami. Tim Goodnow is the President and Chief Executive Officer at Sensionic, Inc. Tim joined the Sensionic Board of Directors in December 2010 and in March 2011 was named President and CEO. Tim has been instrumental in commercializing the first 90-day Eversense CGM system in Europe and the 180-day product Eversense XL, which is now distributed in more than 15 countries, guys. 15 countries. That is love. He also successfully launched Eversense in the U.S. only 40 days after FDA approval, making its way in North America, guys. That is love. For anybody you know, for anybody who you know who is type 1, type 2 diabetic, man, this technology is love. In a few minutes here, man, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of rundown and experience of, I'll give you my son as an example, man, you know what I mean? In a positive way, though, you know what I mean? It's all love. Tim continues to drive innovation, product development, and new technology for future CGM systems, okay? CGM is a glucose monitoring system, guys. That's what CGM is, man. Prior to Sensonic, Tim was Vice President of Technical Operations at Abbott Diabetes Care. That is major key for me, man. Abbott Diabetes Care. That's a pristine, large company, man. He also held executive positions at TheraSense, Verax Biomedical, Dade Behring, and Baxter Healthcare. Guys, I think this president and CEO guy, man, he may be it. This guy, Timothy Goodnow, man. Timothy knows good. You know what I'm saying? Ticker symbol SENS, man. So, guys, let me go ahead and just jump right into the products real quick, man. Again, I'm going to copy this website URL down below so you guys can do diligence, man, to research Sensionic and also take a, browse their website, get to know their products, and really just kind of marry up to Sensionic, okay? So that way you guys know where you guys are investing your money into. All right, you guys can't just like hop on a bandwagon, you know what I mean, and not knowing what you're investing your money in. You guys can if you want to, but you know what? Hey, that's why you guys have guys like us, man, to do diligence and do the research, man. At the same time, you got to do your own. But if you want to hop in with us, hop in with us, man. Let's get this money together. You know what I'm saying? Check it out. The world's only long-term CGM system. With the Eversense 90-day CGM system, you can actively manage your diabetes simply and with confidence. All right, confidence is key. I love people with confidence, man. It's not really being cocky. There's a difference. There is a difference between confidence and cocky, guys. You know what I mean? Confidence is what it is. Do what it do. Do what I do. Do what it does. I'm stupid. Anyway, I'm just being a goofball. Eversense provides continuous blood glucose monitoring for up to 90 days via an under-the-skin sensor, a removable and rechargeable smart transmitter, and convenient app for real-time diabetes monitoring and management. There you go, guys. Big mood alert, rechargeable smart transmitter, convenient app for real-time diabetes monitoring and management. It gives you 90 days under-the-skin implant, guys. That is love, man. My son is going to love this, man. If you don't know, man, you know now. My son is type 1 diabetic. He was diagnosed, man, when he was 3 years old. He's going on 13 years old now. And I must say, he went from manual pricks to, and was, from syringes, to to having the insulin pump. Now he is on the CGM glucose monitoring system with Dexcom, guys. Dexcom has done a lot for my son, man. Shout out to Dexcom if you guys encounter my video, man. And also T-Slim and Dexcom, man, is doing it up for my son, man. They've been taking care of my son, keeping him in good health, man. So, I want to give a shout out to those two companies, guys. So, but this Sensionic technology, man, I'm really digging it because the sensor is implanted under the skin, guys. So, your healthcare provider will help you implant it under the skin up to 90 days. They'll remove it, swap it out, man, every 90 days, guys. So, my son right now wears 3 different sight patches, man. One for his pump, right in his buttocks area. He wears a transmitter on his arm, on the back of his arm here, and then he wears a sensor patch on the other side of the arm, right? So that could be a bear, man. It could be really frustrating, wearing 3 different sight patches. So, by eliminating one sight patch is okay, you would say, for me and my son, man. So I'm gonna propose this to my son when I see him this afternoon, man, and let him know that they have a under the skin sensor now, guys. Son, my dude, you know what I mean? He's gonna be excited, man. Matter of fact, he's going to be big-sighted. Not excited, big-sighted. That's what me and my children say when we're excited. Big-sighted. So, guys, Sensionic, man, do the diligence, man. I'm going to take all this URL, man, and put it down below so you guys could go ahead and do more research and really just marry up to it, man. So, I introduce you to that guy, Tim Goodnow, because Tim knows better, and once we know better, we do better kind of deal, right? So he knows better. I'm sure he does. I mean, he does good. He has no and good in his last name. You know what I'm saying? Feel me? And then also, man, I'm going to send out, or I'm going to copy the URL for, the website itself, okay? So that way you guys can do some more thorough research and marry up to this stock. Guys, let's get into the meat of things in terms of pricing. All right? Let's take a look at pricing. Let's take a look at pricing, man. Now that I have Thinkorswim up, check it out. Down here at the very bottom low, I bought Sensionic stock at $2.44. I scooped up 500 shares. My intent was to buy 5,000 shares, and I forgot to put another zero. So therefore, I'm stuck with 500 shares. So guys, $2.44 under $3 is love. It is love. You understand? Happy is just jumping right in. But make sure you have buying power to bring your cost basis down if you slightly bought high, okay? Make sure you have some buying power. But you know what? Happy is jumping in right now. Love is if you can catch it under $3. Love is $2.44, between $2.44 to about $2.80. If you catch it pull back, then hop in, man. Grab your position. It's very low cost. This is a small cap penny stock. All right. Let me just go ahead and review their market cap. Market cap is $1 billion. All right. Their day range, the recent day range is $2.77 to $3.27, and we see that right here if you take a look at the chart. The day range on February 5th at about 10:45 a.m. it went high as $3.25. The 52-week high is 52-week high is $3.90, guys. So SENS is going to try to retest $3.90, and right now we ended off at closing Friday at $3.03. So this is a great sign for it to retest $3.90, guys. So we already see here, prior to lunchtime, it already hit $3.27, and obviously we have some investors sell off, which is, again, you have to expect the unexpected, right? So, guys, let's take a look at the chart again. I bought in low down here. You see some interest, with some investors jumping in. And it actually hit almost $3 here, guys. And these are probably investors hopping in, dropping real big. Well, not really. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there's a good amount of substantial volume here. right in the green. Okay, so investors bought in, took the ride up, sold off, and then now we have some consolidation going on here, right, from February 2nd all the way into the end of week, February 5th. It consolidated about in the high $2, and then you see a little small spike here, goes up almost in the high $2, 287, 290ish, 288. Minor sell off. Okay, expect the unexpected, and it shoots up again right here, high $3.27. I mean, this thing was taking off for me, guys. And then you kind of see a sell-off towards the end of the week, which is fine. A lot of people, a lot of investors are probably taking their proceeds, man, and securing the bag and then starting fresh Monday morning, which I get it because I do that sometimes too. Just kind of sell off on Friday after or Friday at end of day and start fresh on Monday, right? So, and again, these guys probably want to enjoy their fruits with their families and friends. You know what I mean? So yeah, guys, we're currently sitting at asking price $3.10 with SENS. I see this, and the volume is actually 94.67 million, man, just as of Friday. So a lot of people are buying into this stock, and I think this is going to be huge, man. If you reference back and take a look at Dexcom and T-Slim and all those guys, I mean, they're up in the 3-digit shares right now. I see this potentially going up to the 3 digits, but again, patience is key. Buying power is key. Buying the dip is key. And we just have to stay the course, guys. Don't go for the short term and short buy, short sell the stocks, man, because you will never see its potential, in that short time. But now again, I understand if you're just about the money, flipping money, then so be it. Cool. But I'm telling you, it's going to be one of those things, you're going to regret. It's going to be one of those moments that you're going to regret one day, okay? I'll give you an example, man. I bought AMC back in November at $3 a share, and I had over 300 plus shares. They weren't doing anything for me, so I sold them off, man. I'm like, man. And then I kind of got shook up when they filed the bankruptcy announcement thing, whatever, you know what I mean? And for AMC being the main theater, cinema chain globally, and for them to throw out there that they were in the middle of filing for bankruptcy, and then all of a sudden, Wall Street bets come through and just surge the entire thing and put all of these hedge funders under water, man. It was just phenomenal. So I believe in that miracle and that positive energy, man, capitalized on the stock. And when I say that is monkeys and apes like us capitalizing on the stock, man, and securing that bag, right? You know what I mean? We, a lot of monkeys on the stock, raises the price. One monkey on the stock, the price target doesn't move. So I see many monkeys jumping on SENS, therefore driving the price target higher, okay? Get in where you fit in, hold it down, be patient, guys. That is why we call it short-term investing and long-term investing, okay? And then you have your day-to-day trades just to make money. Identify your short terms, identify your long terms, okay? Anything 1 year is long term, anything less than 1 year is short term. So you have to do diligence to do your research, man, and decipher and determine which stocks are you going to hold short term, which stocks are you going to hold long term, okay? For me, Sensionic is going to be a long term. And as we move forward, I will build more and capitalize on a position. So that way, when this thing takes off, this thing is going to take me to Pluto. Forget about the moon. I'm going straight to Pluto with this one. So guys, man, that's all I have for you guys, man. I hope I relayed some great information to you guys in terms of a new stock. If you're unaware of SENS, please do your diligence to do the research. If you are aware of SENS, man, hold it down, build your positions, and continue to do what it do. Let it do what it do. Do what you do, guys. It's your boy, man, Ray B10. Again, I'm going to go ahead and take these URLs and put it down below. Comment, hit like, subscribe to my channel if you're new. Show your boy Ray B10 some love, man. And if this was some great information to you guys, man, please, please, please hit like. Show me some support, man. I'm really trying to get my subscriber count up. I'm trying to go ahead and hit this 1,000 mark, man. And some YouTubers out there, some of my viewers right now, are saying my channel is kind of underrated, which is all good. I'm just gonna go ahead and keep loading up the videos, man, and yeah, I'm just here to help out, man. Again, over here, we are about the gains while minimizing risk, guys. I'm all about the gains while minimizing risk, man. It's your boy Ray B10. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Let's go ahead and get ready for next week's event. Stock market event, man. I think next week is going to be love. All right. Oh, another thing to keep in mind. I always notice that if you have 3 consecutive green days, expect 2 red days, okay? That's typically what I see. And also, keep in mind, if you see a stock rallying up, it rallies about 2 days, 2.5 days before people sell off to take profits. Okay, keep that in mind. Tip of the day, man. It's your boy Ray B10. Much love from me to you. Always fall forward, not backwards, with love, peace, and happiness, man. Peace. I'll see you guys in my next video. One love always. Ray B10.